Come on. You going to talk to me? Ah. You're talking through here. Oh, yeah.
Please study the images below. Which one is not on the list? I'm sorry, but that was incorrect. Which one is on the list?
Face that way. Mm-hmm. I'm not going to impress anybody with that sort of movement, you know, mate. Go on, have a look at the camera. Over there. Come on, tell us a joke or something.
What do you get when you the kangaroo?
Do what? What do you... I've no idea. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. I think you just failed that, didn't you?
Choose a trivia category. I will give you a question. Try to answer it correctly from 4 choices. You can either touch the box with your answer or, if I am online, tell me out loud the number of your selection. I will understand you best if you say it like this. Number 2. Or, number 4. Okay, let's go. Good luck. The fish known as the Great Barracuda can grow to be how long? 1 foot. 2, 3 feet. 3, 25 millimeters. 4, 2.4 meters.
Number 4.
Yes. The great barracuda can grow up to 2.4 meters long, while other species reach around 1 meter in length. The great barracuda has even been known to attack humans. Barracudas live in the warmer parts of the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean, including in the Caribbean Sea. What is the largest and heaviest reptile living today? 1. Tyrannosaurus rex. 2. Elephant. 3. Crocodile. 4. Killer whale.
Number 3.
The correct answer is the crocodile. It is the largest and heaviest reptile living today. The giant estuarine crocodile of tropical Asia and Australia may grow to almost 9 meters in length. The seahorse is a member of what family of animals? 1. Horses. 2. Turtle. 3. Fish. 4. Snakes.
Number 3. Not listening, are you?
Correct. Seahorses are actually a type of fish, with a horse-like head, rings around a body that look like armor, and a curled tail. Seahorses are unusual in their appearance. Seahorses are unusual because the male carries the fertilized egg, not the female.
That'll do, mate. How do we turn you off? That button.
Hello, my human friend. How are you?
I just turned you off.
Hi there, carbon-based unit. It's good to see you. Have you had it? Hello, being living on the planet Earth. It's great to be with you again. How is everything with you?
Off.
I've just finished my latest...
Off.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.